Are you tired of using multiple cooking tools for different kitchen tasks, only to find yourself overwhelmed with cleanup and clutter? If so, this Sunhouse 3.3 Quarts Steamer Pot is exactly what you've been searching for. This all-in-one, high-performance cookware piece has been thoughtfully designed to make your cooking experience smoother, healthier, and more efficient. Whether you're steaming dumplings, veggies, or seafood, this versatile pot covers it all while offering unique features you won't find in your average steamer. Sunhouse is known for creating cookware that blends functionality with durability, and their 3.3 Quarts Steamer Pot is no exception. Crafted from premium stainless steel and featuring tri-ply construction, this pot delivers the ultimate in cooking performance. The non-toxic food-grade materials ensure that your meals are prepared safely, retaining natural flavors and nutrients, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on taste. Key features and benefits of the Sunhouse 3.3 Quarts Steamer Pot. Premium quality materials. The Sunhouse Steamer Pot is made with high-quality food-grade stainless steel that's non-toxic and safe for everyday use. This ensures that your food stays pure and free from harmful chemicals, allowing you to enjoy a healthier, more natural cooking experience. Tri-ply construction for even heating. Featuring a unique tri-ply bonded construction, this pot combines alternating layers of stainless steel and aluminum. The result is a highly durable, fast-heating pot that eliminates hot spots, ensuring even cooking every time. This means quicker cooking times, more energy-efficient meals, and better food texture, all while preventing the risk of burning. Multifunctional and versatile. One of the standout features of the Sunhouse Steamer Pot is its two-tier design, allowing you to steam multiple foods simultaneously. Imagine being able to cook tamales, dumplings, veggies, and seafood all at once, saving both time and effort. Whether you're making dumplings for dinner or steaming fresh vegetables, this pot offers you the flexibility to meet different cooking needs without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. Induction-friendly. With its magnetized base, the Sunhouse 3.3 Quarts Steamer Pot is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, ceramic, electric, and halogen. This means no matter what kind of stove you have, you can enjoy perfect cooking results. Plus, its energy-efficient design ensures that you save on utility bills without sacrificing performance. Clear visual lid and comfortable handles. The pot comes equipped with a transparent glass lid, allowing you to easily monitor your food without having to remove the lid and lose valuable heat. This innovative lid design helps to trap moisture and flavor, ensuring your food stays tender and juicy while cooking. The heat-resistant handles on both sides of the pot offer a secure, comfortable grip, reducing the risk of burns while making handling and lifting easy. Easy to clean. Not only is the Sunhouse 3.3 Quarts Steamer Pot dishwasher safe, but it's also designed to make cleaning a breeze. The Steamer Pot's collapsible feature allows you to store it easily, saving precious kitchen space. When hand washing, be sure to take extra care to preserve the visibility of the measurement lines inside the pot, an additional feature that ensures precise cooking and portion control. Durable and long-lasting, Sunhouse cookware is built to last, and the 3.3 Quarts Steamer Pot is no exception. Designed to withstand up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with the lid safe for temperatures as high as 482 degrees Fahrenheit, this steamer pot is perfect for all your cooking endeavors. Whether you're steaming food or making soups, you can count on this pot to hold up to frequent use. Perfect for special occasions and gifting. Looking for a gift that's both practical and thoughtful? The Sunhouse 3.3 Quarts Steamer Pot makes an excellent gift for weddings, birthdays, housewarmings, Thanksgiving, and even Halloween. Its sleek design, versatile functionality, and high-quality materials make it an ideal gift for anyone who loves cooking or is looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials. Why you should choose the Sunhouse 3.3 Quarts Steamer Pot. If you're someone who values quality cookware and desires a multifunctional, durable cooking solution, the Sunhouse Steamer Pot is a game changer. Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner, its intuitive design and user-friendly features make it easy for anyone to use. This pot is perfect for preparing healthy meals quickly and efficiently, while its sleek design adds an elegant touch to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.